So a great 3D printing experience, we believe at Ultimaker, contains of multiple components, bringing hardware, software, services and materials, and also third-party materials, together in one holistic ecosystem.
But today we have about 80 material suppliers. We have more than 100 materials in the marketplace at the moment.
The Material Alliance program we have with all of our material suppliers, we now have industrial grade materials. The good thing about that is that we can create industrial grade applications.
The service life of a train is 25 years, and in practice trains are used for up to 50 years, which means a lot of spare parts. Making new molds for only a few dozen or a few hundred parts is also an economical nonsense, and this is where 3D printing comes into play.
DSM's story at Formnext is about manufacture tomorrow, and in line with that story, we are introducing materials which will open up applications for industrial end-use parts for tomorrow.
I think it is key on this growing market that main actors such as Ultimaker and Cura bring global solution to the final users in terms of machine and material to suit perfectly the final application. This is, I think, the way we have to work together, focusing on applications and final customers.
So we've been working with Ultimaker for a long time. We were one of the first partners in the Material Alliance program. And also with our new material, UltraFuse 316L, Ultimaker was one of the first partners.
So we're very proud to be part of the Ultimaker Alliance, especially to be the 100th material on their platform. It's really good that we can provide them with a PVDF material that helps them develop into industrial applications.
So Enzingers' vision is to promote the use of technical plastics in the industry. Of course, this also applies to the new production technique of 3D printing.
Our first qualified material for Ultimaker is the PA6 GF30. Due to its rigidity and strength, this glass fiber reinforced polyamide is one of the strongest polyamides on the engineering plastic side.
So the type of companies that can really benefit from professional 3D printing are companies that really are focused on productivity, wants higher capacity in printing.
Because this industry has passed the nascent stage of technology and now is on the mainstream adoption stage.